Hyundai is working with global communities to give ocean forests names. They've already named a kelp woodland in Korea and a sea jungle in Argentina. And on April 22nd, Earth Day, they're announcing the name of an ocean forest in Australia. Now, you might be wondering why. Why would a car company launch a global campaign to name groves of kelp? To explain this, we need to talk about the Amazon rainforest. Before the 1990s, there wasn't really a global movement to save the Amazon. In fact, a lot of people hadn't heard about the Amazon forest, even though it helped them to breathe. But then, Chico Mendes got assassinated. Francisco Alves Mendes Filho, better known as Chico Mendes, was a Brazilian union leader and environmental activist. In 1988, two ranchers showed up at his doorstep. Chico and the ranchers had been battling over protection of the Amazon. The ranchers had been driving out local populations who lived and worked in the forests, so they could cut down the trees and convert the land into cattle ranches. Chico was working to stop them, so they came to his house and shot him in the chest. Chico's work and tragic death brought global attention to the plight of the Amazonian people, and to the important role the Amazon plays in providing oxygen to the entire planet. Suddenly, millions of people who had never once thought about the Amazon rainforest were calling it the lungs of the planet and working to save it. Similarly, most people have no idea that the ocean is filled with forests. These forests are even more essential to our ability to breathe. They actually sequester carbon 10 times faster than forests on land and store 3 to 5 times more carbon. Not only that, these submerged forests are home to numerous creatures, support coastal diversity, and filter marine pollutants. Hyundai wants people to understand these ocean forests and work to protect them. 2 of the 3 forests in this campaign have already been named. Working with the Ministry of Ocean Fisheries and the Korean Fisheries Resource Agency, the organizations together have named a coastal forest off the coast of Korea Ulim. It means something like echo or remembrance. In Argentina, the sea forest received the name Auken Aiken, meaning field of life in the local indigenous language. This name was determined in partnership with a local NGO specialized in marine conservation and community groups. The final forest is off the coast of Australia, and the fun part is you can be involved in naming it. If you're watching this video before April 22nd, 2026, you can vote on which name the Australian forest will receive. The website to vote on the name is in the video description. Help participate in bringing attention to some of the most beautiful, unique, and fragile ecosystems on Earth, because without them, we can't live here either. For more stories like this, please subscribe to blueeconomynews.earth, where we cover the transition to a sustainable blue economy.